Behind every video is a heart that loves travel. If that resonates with yours, subscribe and let's grow this together. Travel isn't just about seeing new places, it's about creating memories that last a lifetime. A thoughtfully planned itinerary can turn a good trip into an unforgettable one. Here's how to build your dream journey. 1. Know your travel style. Are you a fast-paced explorer or a slow wanderer? A thrill seeker or a relaxation enthusiast? Let your style guide your plan. 2. Highlight your must-sees. Identify your top destinations and experiences. Focus on what matters most. It's better to savor a few highlights than rush through many. 3. Mix planning with flexibility. Blend iconic landmarks with hidden gems, and leave space for spontaneity. Some of the best moments are the ones you don't plan. 4. Research smartly. Check opening times, local holidays, and transport options. Book major attractions in advance to avoid long waits. 5. Map your days. Cluster nearby sites and activities to save time and energy. Tools like Google Maps are essential for smart planning. 6. Budget thoughtfully. Set aside money for must-do experiences, meals, and souvenirs. Tip: always keep a little extra for surprises and spontaneous treats. 7. Schedule downtime. Resist the urge to overpack your days. Moments of rest allow you to truly soak in the experience. The best adventures leave room for a little magic, those unexpected moments, flavors, and friendships that turn a trip into a story you'll tell forever. Thanks for coming along on this journey. Whether you're planning your next trip or just exploring the world from your screen, I hope this inspired you to see something new. Don't forget, adventure is out there, sometimes just one step outside your comfort zone.